What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Here are 7 ways to improve your credit score. 1. Pay your bills on time. Late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score. 2. Keep your credit card balances low. High balances can indicate that you are overextending yourself financially. 3. Don't close old credit accounts. Length of credit history is a factor in your credit score. 4. Be mindful of new credit applications. Each time you apply for credit, it can have a negative impact. 5. Dispute any errors on your credit report. 6. Consider a secured credit card. If you have no credit or bad credit, a secured credit card can help you build or rebuild your credit. 7. Diversify your credit. Having a mix of different types of credit help improve your credit score. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.